Okay, this is a slightly adjusted minimization cost problem. In this problem, I'm actually giving you the total cost, and what you really need to find out is what is the quantity of output that you will produce. And therefore, once you find that, then you find what the question is asking you, which is the quantity of labor to produce that output. So the first thing you need to do is to set up the marginal product or marginal product of labor over marginal product of capital equals to the ratio of the prices. So let's find the marginal product of labor first, and that's 0.6 L minus 0.4 K 0.4. That's going to be over the marginal productivity of capital, which is going to be equal to 0.4 L 0.6 K minus 0.6. Now, once you perform some of the simplification here of the exponents, what you end up with is 0.6 over 0.4, which is 1.5, and then the 0.4 for labor comes down, the 0.6 from capital comes up, and then you end up with K over L. So this is the ratio of the marginal productivities, and you're going to make that equal to the ratio of the prices, which is equal to 3 over 2.7. So let's simplify this to labor. So that cross multiply 3L equals 2.5 times 1.5 times 2.7, and that is actually 4.05 equals K. I'm keeping 2 decimal places here. And then solve for L. L is going to be equal to 4.05 divided by 3, which is 1.35. So this is your minimization cost equation given this ratio of the prices. Now you know that what the company wants is to spend this 384 total cost. So now you can actually use your total cost equation, which is always equal to WL plus RK. Now you actually now have values for total cost, and you also have values for W and R. So this will be equal to 3L plus 2.7 K. Now, but you found L, right? So, and then you also know TC. So this is basically 384 equals. Now you're going to use L that you found up here. So that will be 1.35 K plus 2.7 K. All right. So that simplifies to 1.35 times 3, which is 4.05, which is what you have found over here, right? Because you're multiplying by the same amount. So this is 4.05 K plus 2.7 K still equals 384. Now we can solve for K by bringing the making that operation there of K 2.7. That's 6.75. So we're going to divide that by 6.75. So 384 divided by 6.75. Well, I got 56.888. So let's go this 89. So that's K. Now we can actually take this K now and find L, which is what we're looking for. Let's try to see if we can do it in this little space here. So that will be L equals 1.35 5689. All right. So let's multiply that times 1.35 to find our L, and that will be L equals 76.8, and that should be the answer to this question. Notice that I did not actually ask you to find Q, but now you could actually put L and K into this equation here to find the value of Q.